How to make a good about page. So, what you should learn from me, I was a growth strategist at a 100K a month member community, making 250K a month, made out of school, scaled LFGs in the offer to 30K a month, blah, 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 blah. All right, cool. So, first thing people are going to look at is the name. So, your name should just be really obvious. Don't spend too long on this. Literally, just like whatever niche it is, just try and make it as obvious as possible. Don't be fancy, right? And then people are going to look at the promise. I like making this on laptop, my about page, because it's easier. So you want your promise to be the same thing as here because people on the phone actually don't have access to this. And for the banner, I like having these two be the same. I would make this just like a promise or your community name. Mine was just a little bit different. And I like having these two the same because when you show up on Discovery, if they press on the community, then you've set expectations and you've met expectations instantly. And I've seen this convert really well for people, like 40% on Discovery. Like it's crazy work with just a banner and like a very short description. And for the description, there's 4 things: proof, promise, plan, and then a CTA at the end. The proof, promise, plan can be in any order. So, for example, this is our promise. It's really weird but I'm trying something different. And then proof, and then plan, so what they're going to get, and then just a CTA, so call to action. And that's pretty simple. Like, you can overcomplicate the fuck out of this, and I wouldn't. Just like have those 4 things, do the bullet points for the plan, do bullet points for proof, do a promise as the first line, keep it fucking simple. That's from shit. All right, ciao.